DH Window Cleaning Specialist are professional, courteous and considerate window cleaners and can keep your home or business premises in great condition. We provide a truly flexible service, offering both modern and traditional window cleaning services. We cater to all needs, ensuring the cleanest windows. We will assess all options, taking into account safety and provide you with the best window cleaning method for your premises. Our reach and wash systems can handle high up and hard to reach windows. We also offer high pressure jet cleaning and cradle and access platform work. We will carry out your window cleaning to an exceptionally high standard. All our window cleaners are highly skilled and trained. For more information and to see how we can help you, please get in touch today. DH Window Cleaning Specialist.